Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are back in Baia del Carpino today, and I love filming here because the views are so pretty and there's some really spectacular properties. This one looks to be quite amazing. I haven't been in yet. I'm gonna surprise you as much as I surprise me. So let's go take a look at this amazing property. It looks great from the outside. Okay, so we are in Baia del Carpino, and look at this beautiful place. This is the entrance to the courtyard, and I'm going to take you in and show you what it looks like. It looks like there's a spectacular terrace up there and really beautiful interiors. Let's go have a look. See, we came in that door down there. We came up to this beautiful staircase and this beautiful covered terrace in front of the unit right here. And I came up these little stairs here, and there's another beautiful terrace, like a sunny terrace up here, and the views from up here, you can see there's San Nicola Arcella over there, there's the sea right there, and the views from up here are absolutely stunning. I love Baia del Carpino. There's a lot of pine trees here, there's a beautiful community. It's just a wonderful place to be. Okay, let's go inside and see what it looks like. Okay, we're coming in the front door here, and you can see it looks to me like they maybe took 2 or 3 units, maybe 2 or 3, and sort of put them all together to make one big, super comfy, super pretty unit. Now, this is a nice little soggiorno space, living room area, and right off the living room, you've got a big, pretty bedroom. It's very large because you've got this big furniture in here, this big armadio, and you still have plenty of space. And you've got a little niche here for the bed, little window there that actually opens into a studio space for extra light. But if you wanted to close it off at night, you could, and you could have it nice and dark in here. I like to sleep where it's dark. And I'll tell you, here in Calabria, the sun comes up at about 5:30 or 6 a.m. Hey guys. And wakes you up. And it's nice to have a super dark room so you can sleep in a little bit. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. I got to show you close up. All right. First of all, it's massive. Very, very big. Secondly, it's bespoke. I can tell because you see how they did the tile here. Those are like custom made, and then custom made cabinets and stuff are made to measure. Now, the actual, the countertops are this gorgeous granite, which I just love. I think that design is so beautiful. And this is a really, really large kitchen. I love that they have a lot of lower cabinets, but no upper cabinets. It really creates a feeling of space in here. Big American fridge, love that. Central heating. Now we're gonna come in here. There is a bathroom and laundry room. Really pretty, pretty tiles. Everything is new and redone. Now there's a lot of furniture in this place, so it looks probably a little smaller than it actually is. Now here's the other side of that bedroom there. There's the window opens here. And you've got a nice little nook here that I think, because that goes into another little area there, like a ripostiglio or a walk-in closet if you want it to be. But why not make it a bedroom suite if you want to? There's plenty of space here for a big bed, super comfy. There's actually a sofa in here already. And on this side, you've got this whole area in here that you could turn into a studio. You could turn it into a massive walk-in closet, which I'm kind of leaning toward that. You know, armadios are great, but they don't work for Chris. Let's go see the rest of this place. It just goes on forever. I think this is my favorite bedroom. Look how pretty it is with the pink. Ooh, so pretty. And huge, really. And they have mosquito screens on these windows, which really makes a big difference. In summer, you can open it up and let the airflow come. In Baia del Carpino, there's a lot of breeze here, so you don't need as much air conditioning as you would need in other spaces. Here you've got a little single bedroom, and I like how they put windows going back and forth so that there's natural light coming in as well. Now here's a nice big bathroom. Look, you got a jacuzzi tub there. Beautiful fixtures, and again, the bespoke cabinets. Hi guys! And beautiful granite countertops once again. And natural light coming in as well. So this is the bottom half. I think there's a whole nother top half, and we're gonna go have a look at it. Back outside, and apparently there is a whole another apartment upstairs. You could either make it all one house, or rent out the upper half or the bottom half. We'll go see that in a minute. But look at, you have a nice outdoor shower here. And then that's a secure door there. It's real heavy. Okay, so in Italy, many times there are two kitchens. There's one kitchen up in the living space, and then there's another kitchen down below. And really a lot of the cooking happens down below because it keeps the heat and the smell out of the house. Now this is another beautiful kitchen with, again, bespoke cabinets. And look at this. I actually had this kind of granite in one of my flips that I did in San Jose, California. So this could actually be a beautiful kitchen for accessing the terrace. You cook here, you take it on the terrace. You close this up when you have guests, and then you can do cleanup afterwards and not worry about your whole house looking like it's been through a hurricane. Now through here, you've got a huge pantry space. And it's fantastic. Oh my God, I would kill for a pantry space like this. You can put all kinds of stuff in here. All of your extra china, all of the food that you're keeping for later. There's another fridge in here. Okay, wow, this place just goes on forever. And like I said, there's a whole nother upstairs apartment, which can be made into a separate apartment or can be used as one big giant house. And apparently the views from up there are even more spectacular. Let's go have a look. It could be used to rent out in summer. It could be used for guests. It has a separate entrance. It's really quite a spectacular property, this. Okay, guys, we are upstairs in the second unit, actually the terrace up there. Look at how beautiful it is up here. The view is absolutely stunning. These corner units are they don't come available very often, and to find one that's all done up and ready to go is like finding a jewel. Let's go in and I'm going to show you this place. It's very cool. Here's the living room and dining room area, and it's really nice, really big. Look at the beautiful crystal chandelier. I just love that so much. It looks to be real crystal too because it's sparkling with the prisms, and that's a dead giveaway that it's not glass. I don't know if it comes with the property, but I'm sure you could negotiate something. And here we have a really pretty and really functional kitchen. It's beautiful. Again, it's bespoke, you can tell. The cabinets were handmade, and it has a gorgeous little granite countertop. The refrigerator is put behind one of those cabinets so it hides a little bit. And then you've got this really pretty courtyard out the back. And the courtyard kind of adjoins with the other houses, the other units here. So you have a communal courtyard, so it's like a community. It's very cool. I just really, really love that. And this place is very, very secure. You can tell the heavy doors and things like that on the areas that they don't use often are just make it really super secure. Hello, guys. Coming into the hallway. Here you have a super pretty bathroom. I really like this bathroom. Now, it's got a good sized shower, and I know I harp on the showers, but I'm telling you, I don't like those little postage stamp showers that you have to, that you have the shower box and you have to open it if you drop your razor or whatever, because your head, there's no way you can bend down. It's just too tight. This one is not that way, and it's beautifully done in the corner, so it gives you a lot of space. I love this tile. If you look at the accents, I don't know if you can see them, but they've got the gold etched accents up there and the pretty accents here. The tile's in beautiful shape. It's beautiful tile. I wouldn't change it. I would keep it. Now, here's a huge bedroom. It is quite large because you can see you've got a big floor-to-ceiling armadio in here. It's actually a beautiful piece of furniture. I mean, if I was buying this place, I would probably negotiate that to stay. It is stunning, and it's big. It has a lot of space in it, and you got that dresser over there too. So you have a lot of big furniture in here, but you still have a big feeling of space. And again, here is your view from your bedroom window, and your window opens up onto this beautiful terrace. I swear I would be out here all the time with this view. And the airflow, there's awnings up there. They look new. Those cost. I mean, when you start pricing awnings and things like that, and mosquito screens and everything else, and shutters and windows and everything else. These are beautiful window accents. It comes into some money. So this property has a lot of value in it. And if you didn't want to live in the upper part, you could rent it out in summer. It would rent so easily. Look at this cute room. I love this room. Okay, if this were my house, this would be my painting studio because look at the light and look at the aesthetics here. And it opens out onto this beautiful terrace. And once again, that stunning view. Oh, I love this terrace. Oh my gosh. I am one for a view. Okay, so as you know, this place goes on forever. I have just been informed that there's another 70 square units of unfinished space down below. And if you wanted to finish it into a separate apartment, you could. Otherwise, it would be a large ripostiglio or storage area for you. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to come over and be super, super comfy, enjoy the gorgeous views and all the beauty of southern Italy, this might be the place for you.